Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 4. Who among the following has launched e-KUMBH portal? Options: Jitendra Singh, Dharmendra Pradhan, Amit Shah, Draupadi Murmu. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is this e-KUMBH portal. So because the question might also be asked like e-KUMBH portal is associated with which field. So let's see. The full form is Knowledge Unleashed in Multiple Bharatiya Languages. In this portal, engineering courses and books would be available in 12 scheduled Indian languages. The president also released engineering books and glossary of technical terms in Odia language. So, to simplify the e-KUMBH portal, it is simply the technical courses in local languages would be available. So, the answer for this question is option D, Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu has launched e-KUMBH portal. That's it for this video, guys. For more such quick knowledge boosting videos, please subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali.